Good morning, all of you. So, as you all know, we had covered the sixth chapter. The name of the chapter, Changes Around Us. So, mainly in this chapter, we studied some activities, and from that activities, we understood that some changes are reversible. In that changes, we can get the original substance back. Whereas some changes we call them as irreversible. In irreversible changes, we cannot get the original substance back. So, this was what mainly we studied in this topic. And now, today, we will discuss about the question answers from this topic. So, let us move further. As you can see on page number 51 of your textbook, the question and answers. So, the question number 1. To walk through a waterlogged area. Waterlogged means having water, full of water. So, what happened? You usually shorten the length of your dress by folding it. Can this change be reversed? After you fold your dress, when you are walking through waterlogged area, especially in the rainy season, you fold your dress, especially your trousers and your pants, right, which you are wearing, right, so that they do not become dirty. So can that change be reversed? Yes, you can unfold them. Question number 2. You accidentally dropped your favorite toy and broke it. This is a change you did not want. Can this change be reversed? Can you reverse this change? Your toy, favorite toy, fell down from your hand and it broke. Can you reverse this change? No, this change cannot be reversed. We are not able to reverse this change. Question number 3. Some changes are listed in the following table. For each change, write in the blank column whether the change can be reversed or not. You have to write whether the change is reversed or not. The sawing of a piece of paper. Can you reverse it? The melting of ice candy. Can you reverse it? Dissolving sugar in water. The cooking of food. The ripening of a mango. Souring of milk. So let us look at the answers. Sawing of a piece of paper. It is not reversible. You cannot get the paper back. The melting of ice candy. Yes. Once the ice candy is melted, you can keep it in the fridge and you can get it back. Dissolving sugar in water. Yes, of course. When you dissolve sugar in water and you heat that water, after some time, you can get the sugar back. We studied this in the previous lesson also. The cooking of food. No, we cannot get the food back. The ripening of a mango. No. Souring of milk. No. Question number 4. A drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you reverse this change? If the picture is drawn with a pencil, then it can be erased. Hence, change can be reversed. But if the picture is drawn with colors, then the change cannot be reversed. Question number 5. Give example to explain the difference between changes that can or cannot be reversed. Some changes that can be reversed. Filling glass with water. opening and closing door. Okay. Changes that cannot be reversed. Curdling of milk, ripening of fruits. All these are changes that cannot be reversed. Question number 6. A thick coating of paste of plaster of Paris is applied over the bandage on a fractured bone. It becomes hard on drying to keep the fractured bone immobilized. Immobilized means without moving. Okay. Can the change in POP be reversed? No, you cannot change the plaster of Paris. Yes. So its change cannot be reversed. Question number 7. A bag of cement lying in the open gets wet due to rain during night. The next day, the sun shines brightly. Do you think the change which have occurred in the cement could be reversed? No, the changes which have occurred in cement cannot be reversed. Whatever changes occur in cement, you cannot reverse them. Now, this part of fill in the blanks which I have given, it is not present in your textbook. So just let us see this. First, dash changes are temporary in nature. You all know the answer. Which changes are temporary in nature? Yes, so the answer is reversible changes. So the reversible changes are temporary in nature. Boiling of an egg is dash change. It is an irreversible change because once you boil the egg, you cannot get back the raw egg. A metal rim fixed on the wheel is slightly larger than the size of the wheel. Cooling of milk is a reversible change. Souring of milk is an irreversible change. Cutting of wood is also an irreversible change. Next, you have to classify the following as reversible change or irreversible change. Breaking of an egg. Once the egg is broken, can you get the original egg back? No. So it is an irreversible change. Second one, boiling of rice. Yes, it is reversible because after you boil the rice, you keep it for drying. After some time, you can get almost the same, right? So it is a reversible change. Separating stones from rice. It is also reversible. Melting of ice. It is also reversible. Folding a piece of paper in the shape of an aeroplane. It is reversible. Cutting a piece of paper in the shape of an aeroplane. It is irreversible. What are irreversible changes? Give an example. So irreversible changes are the changes that cannot be reversed. These changes are temporary in nature. We can get the original substance back. Example, melting of ice, folding of paper, etc. Second one, what changes does a balloon undergo when you blow air into it? When you blow air into the balloon, what happens? There is a change in the shape of the balloon. So the balloon becomes larger in size. Question number 3. Why is the conversion of milk to curd considered an irreversible change? So what is an irreversible change? An irreversible change is a change in which we do not get the original substance back. So once the milk changes to curd, we cannot get the milk back. So changing of milk to curd is an irreversible change. Question number 4. What are reversible changes? Give some Examples. So reversible changes are the changes that can be reversed. These are temporary in nature. The original substance can be obtained back. Example, melting of ice, folding of paper, etc. Now, you have to complete the following chart. You can see changes. They are of two types, reversible and irreversible. Reversible changes can be reversed. Example, melting of ice. The reversible changes cannot be reversed. Example, breaking of glass. Make sure that you write all the extra activities given in this class. Also, you have to draw this chart in your science notebook. With this, I am ending today's YouTube class. Wait for you in the online class. Thank you.